this is another question on differentiation using first principle. Using first principle, question A says differentiate 1 over x with respect to x. While B says find ds dt if s equals to square root of t. When you see the word find ds dt, ds over dt, you know you are differentiating. You have to differentiate. Because if you don't differentiate, you can't get ds dt. So the meaning of ds dt is we are differentiating s with respect to t. Now, to answer question A, let y equals 1 over x. As you have been told, you make y equals to it because you are not given that 1 over x is equals to anything. All right. So y plus delta y has been increased by delta y. So the same thing must happen to x, 1 over open bracket x plus delta x. Then you transfer y to the other side. Delta y will be 1 over into bracket x plus delta x, bracket closed, minus y. But do not forget that y can be replaced with 1 over x because y is originally equals to what? 1 over x. So which means delta y equals 1 over open bracket x plus delta x minus 1 over x. When you find the LCM, you know you are going to have x into bracket x plus delta x, bracket closed. And that will give us x minus open bracket x plus delta x. So everything equals to delta y. I hope this is understood. All I did was finding the LCM, then this we cancel this, x times 1x, this we cancel this bracket times 1, this minus is this. That's all. All right. Open the bracket. Don't forget minus will affect everything in the bracket. So delta y equals x minus delta x all over x into bracket x plus delta x. So this will give us x, we cancel x, that we have minus delta x all over minus delta x all over x into bracket what? X plus delta x. I hope there is no any confusion. All right. With this, well, the next thing is we divide throughout by delta x to achieve delta y over delta x. So delta y over delta x will be, when you divide this delta x will cancel out. That will now be minus 1 over x into bracket x plus delta x. I have divided this side by delta x. You know, when you are dividing by delta x, it's the same thing as multiplying by 1 over delta x. And when you say delta x times 1 over delta x, so delta x will cancel delta x. That's why we have 1 here, because this delta x will cancel out the delta x we are dividing with on the other side. All right. Now, but do not forget that as delta x approaches 0, the delta y over delta x becomes dy dx. So what do we have? We now have delta y over delta x, as delta x approaches 0, delta y over delta x approaches dy dx. So that implies that dy dx equals to, it means anywhere I see delta x, I'm going to put what there? 0. So that will be minus 1 over x into bracket x plus 0, because delta x is being replaced with 0 there. So the final answer is minus 1 over x times x squared. So that is the result of differentiating 1 over x. Differentiation of 1 over x gives minus 1 over x squared.